Welcome to a brief overview of the new product catalog functionality that we're introducing into Deal Center. So what is the product catalog? Well, if you think about the types of information that you normally enter as part of a deal option, we can categorize this data really into kind of two sets. The first relates to the item that's being sold. So this will always be the same across multiple deals, and so the physical attributes of the item itself and references such as items, code, vendor SKUs and titles. The second set of information which you typically would enter as part of a deal would be the financial information. So what we want to do with product catalog is to better organize things and split it into kind of item data, which will be entered once and then can be reused across deals, and then the specifics of the financials, which you may vary between individual deals. So if we go and look at a product catalog itself, so here inside the product catalog, we have a list of all the items which you would have created. And to create items, it's very straightforward. So you're just entering the information that you're familiar with from the existing Deal Center. Here you will select the type of the item. So if say we're using if we have a branded item, you select the format for the UPC EAN, and then you go and enter all the information. Now we support the ability to bulk create items in the product catalog to speed things up. So we provide an Excel template, and you can take the information from this and then simply copy it into the product catalog, and that will then go and populate all the rows. So I can then add the items to the catalog. You will see them then appear inside it, and once that information is in the catalog, we can now start to use it when building our deals. So if we create a new proposal, so this is the familiar Deal Center screen. Nothing really has changed a whole lot in terms of the information that's required, but you will see here things a little bit different in options. And what we now allow you to do is, rather than having to put in the information every time for each deal, you can reference existing items inside the catalog. So for instance here, if I want to reference the items by the vendor SKU which I've created, I can simply take the information here, again from the spreadsheet we'll provide as a template, and I can go and I can simply reference the vendor SKU, and I can go and I can copy the information in there. And there I've straight away created 15 options in my deal, and from there on in, the rest of the deal creation process is exactly as before. So really, as you can see, we're just putting the same information as we would have previously in Deal Center, but we just organize it slightly differently, and all of the behaviors you're used to in terms of cut and paste and things such as drag copy, for instance, are all fully supported here as well. So other interesting features, well, the question is what happens with existing deals that I'm currently working on, or clones of previous deals. What happens when we try to edit these or progress these through Deal Center now. And you will see here that if I have an existing deal and the information is not already in the product catalog, you will be alerted to that fact. And we provide then, via the product catalog again, a very simple form then to add the items. We'll carry forward any information which you previously had in the deal option, and we can simply then save those off and add the items to the deal. And here now you will see the options have been fully created. So that's just a brief overview of the product catalog. As you'll see, no real difference in the information that's being inputted. We've just formatted it slightly differently to allow you to better organize and reuse the information.